Every year, there are millions of people who pay $100, $200, $300 for a simple W-2 tax return or a Schedule C, or it could be a rental profit from our Schedule E, to H&R Block for TurboTax or any tax preparer that will prepare their tax return. But right now, I don't really recommend paying for such a simple return because you can do it all that stuff for free using a software called FreeTaxUSA. So that software can save you a lot of time, hassle, and money all in once. So why you should not using be TurboTax or HR Block? Because they advertise that their software is free, but you end up paying $100 to $150 for a really simple filing, because most of the time they usually offer free for those who only have a W-2, but 90% of you doesn't only have a W-2. You have a different sources of income. You might have a capital gains going from your Fidelity or any other broker that you use for capital gains and losses, or you might have a rental agreement, you have properties on rent. So there are like a lot of different sources of your income that you want to be included in your tax return. But that part would be an additional charges that for these tax software which they charge you for filing your tax returns. But Free Tax USA, they will not even charge you a single dollar for all these complexities, all these extra income sources that you will add in your income. So let's see what they are going to offer us. So right now I am on their website and you can see their federal is totally free. So what does it mean? If we add W-2, they're gonna charge us nothing. And if we add something else, they're gonna charge us? No. They doesn't charge us anything, no matter how many income sources, no matter how many different tax deductions are we gonna include into the software. So you can see they have 4 tiers and all of them doesn't have any charges right for the federal. They only charge you for the state taxes. So depends upon how many states you add in your tax return, then you will be charged one-time fee which will be around $18 after sales tax. So if you will take the advanced features, premium features and self-employed, they all gonna cost you the same. Even if you have home ownership, you have earned income tax credits, rental income, investment income, or you're a freelancer or a small business, they all gonna charge you only $0. So let's cut it and let's see what exactly the software looks like and how you're gonna add the information in it. So first grab your W-2, your Schedule C, or any other income that you have. So before starting and seeing the software, I want you to explain what a W-2 is. Well, it's a wage statement that is being shared by our employer at the end of tax year following by January, and it includes how much he paid you at the end of a tax year and how much your taxes are there. So if we go there and if you see where does a W-2 include, box 1 would include your total salaries. This is the total amount that you should have been paid. This is your gross salaries, not the net amount that you are paid. So the box 2 include how much federal tax withheld on your salaries based on your income, which is a crazy amount right now. And the social security wages, these are used for calculating of your social security taxes, and then a social security tax withheld. And after that, we have a Medicare wages, which is used again for the calculation of your Medicare taxes. So this is basically a W-2 which you will enter right away into the FreeTaxUSA software. So when you will open the FreeTaxUSA software screen, you will see this, and there are a lot of different sections. One is for personal, where you will enter your information such as your name, your date of birth, your SSN, and a lot of different information. So let's see there and let's start from there. So you will add your first name, last name, your occupation, your SSN, date of birth, and the street where you live, address exact, the state, zip code, and all that information. Then you will click on save and continue. And after that, it will ask for your filing status. And if you are not sure that which filing status that you should go with, then you can just click on I'm not sure and help me decide. It will ask you certain questions and then it will help you to find your filing status. So for this illustration, let's choose single. And then if you have any dependent which is living under your roof, it could be your son, it could be any relative, so you can add those here because it will help you to calculate your earned income tax credit or other tax credits such as child tax credits. And then you should be prompting towards the income section. So let's see what we have here. So we can add our W-2 wages, we can add any dividend or interest or any stock sales that we do right up there. And if we do have capital gains or losses, we can also add those here. Obviously, Schedule C and Schedule E and F and Schedule K1 for your partnership and for your S corporation, all you can add those here. That's totally crazy that you can easily file this only for $16 in taxes if you have a state tax to pay. So for those states which doesn't have any state tax, you don't have to pay anything. Such as in this case, if you go towards the state and I have added the farming state, and you can see it's not charging me a single dollar to file this tax return, even if I add no matter how much income in it, and it will not even charge me a single dollar to file taxes. So this is literally crazy. You can add in your information for a W2, for 1099, for Schedule C, claims all the credits that you can in this tax software, and it will not charge you a single penny.